So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to send PayPal crypto to an external wallet. So if you want to send crypto from PayPal to an external wallet, you'll need to go to your PayPal app and go to the finances and go ahead and tap your crypto balance and select the transfer/send arrows. So if you go to your balance right here, you can, if you have crypto, go to your crypto hub on PayPal once your account has been connected with crypto and tap on the specific coin you want to send. They're such as Bitcoin, maybe ETH, Bitcoin Cash, something like that. You can tap then the transfer button and select send to move funds to an external blockchain address. So you can paste or scan the destination crypto address from your external wallet and double check that the address matches the exact coin type so you don't make a mistake there. So you can enter the amount to send, review the network fees and transaction details, then tap send now. It's going to be requested through there. Now through there you can see some processing time, so it takes about 30 minutes to 2 hours depending on blockchain network congestion. So don't be impatient about that. It just takes a bit time for it to be processed. And PayPal may require additional ID verification or security checks before clearing your first external withdrawal. So if you're doing it like that for the first time, you may expect some sort of ID verification. So you can then start sending or transferring crypto, and it's going to be quite simple if you follow these steps. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share a video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on PayPal or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.